Hello everybody, welcome to the Naviforcewatch channel. Today we will have an unboxing review of our main watch, and the model number is the NF9161. And this model is quite popular with its captivating design. Okay, now let's start. As you can see, the watch box is very textured and the black rectangular box is very textured, and the brand logo is quite clear at the center. And now let it off. Okay, here you can see the guarantee card is for 1 year and the warranty period, and the instruction manual is to teach you how to adjust your new watch. Okay, this watch is the watch that we will unbox today, and as you can see, this watch, the NF9161, is very shiny, right? It's all solid gold, and it is powered by a Japanese Quartz movement, and so this watch is durable to use, and it can give you reliable support. First, let's have a look at the back side, and you can see the center, the model number is the NF9161, and you can see the back material is the stainless steel, and the water resistance, we provide 3 ATM water resistant, waterproof, and our Quartz watches all make use of the hardened mirror glass so that it is quite wear resistant and durable. Since all parameter is put at the upper right screen, and I want to show you the case diameter and the lot to look with the tool, and here you can see that the case diameter is 45 millimeter, and here the lot to look is for about the lot to look is 54 millimeter. Okay, and the thickness of this watch is 12 millimeter. Okay, the total length of this watch is 240 millimeter, and the strap material, you can see that it is the stainless steel material, and match with a folding buckle. Here you can see that the buckle is quite convenient, and so this watch is quite convenient and comfortable to wear. And then I want to introduce you the dial design details of this model. This model follows the symmetrical aesthetics, and you can see that there are two fan-shaped pattern here, of course the Paris here, and near the pattern, the dial motif, you can see that the contrast color, the line design, and this one is the red color, the line design. Is very captivating and is very cool, and the screws on the bezel, inlaid in the bezel at the 6 and the 12 o'clock position. And there is also the 4 studs, the screws, the 4 studs here, showing a touch of symmetrical building. It is quite practical because it has a date window and a week display window at the 6 o'clock position, apart from the normal time display. And lastly, I want to show you all colors of this model. As you can see, there are a total of 4 colors here, and I'll show you one by one. And here, the first one is the silverback. It adopts quite simple color scheme. Is the silver case and bezel and lugs and the stainless steel strap, and here the black dial surface. And the studs quite contrast are the studs, and the line design is white color. So the legibility is quite high. It has a quite high and clear legibility. Okay, and the next one color is solid black. It's adopt all black case lugs and the stainless steel strap and the black dial surface. But the contrast, the red line design is very captivating, and you can notice this watch in very first sight. Okay, the third one color is that color that we just embossed, is the solid gold. The whole watch, because the solid golden color scheme is quite shiny and very brilliant. You can see the solid gold case and lugs and the stainless steel strap and the dial surface with the red captivating the line design. So this one is very cool, and it is also can show you brilliant luster and very strong temperament. Okay, the last one color, we come to the rose gold blue. This one adopt the rose gold case and the lugs and the deep blue stainless steel strap, and the dial surface is also deep blue, and here the studs and the line design is the white color. So this one is also very clear and practical to use. Okay, that's all content of the NF9161 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.